Hello and welcome to another update video on UEC Uranium Energy. Definitely one of the more interesting and more bullish charts. I've been tracking this one for a long time. Sometimes here on the channel, sometimes on the MCO Global channel. In case you don't know it, I covered UEC twice and highlighted that it is definitely an interesting setup. And also we cover it quite a lot kind of in the membership. And what you see here is a 1-2 setup on the larger time frame. The price reacted recently, that was in April, to the support area here for a possible wave 2. And now we could indeed have started this larger degree third wave there to the upside, which again, for now, I assume that it might reach the $20 area, but further extensions are possible in this third wave. And this is only the third wave here of this 1-2 setup. All of this would play into an even larger degree third wave. And I mean, at least I'm always careful with really calling these targets, but long-term projections point towards $100 plus on this one. The condition is, of course, that we are holding above the April low. Any break below the April low would seriously increase the risk that here something different is playing out, but it would not rule out the upside overall. But for a direct move to the upside, we want the April low to hold. That's the invalidation point. Now, so far it's playing out. In the short term, there are some other levels that we're watching, specifically here this Fibonacci support area. I'm not sure if we're going to reach it again once more. I mean, the price could just go because, honestly, if we zoom out on this chart, we had several so-called 1-2 setups. At some point, the chart is just going to go. Yeah, it's just going to make it at some point. Just going to break out. We have a 1-2 setup on the long-term chart, another 1-2, another 1-2, and there's even another 1-2 setup on the smaller time frame. So we've got 4 1-2 setups, and the price needs to break out, or this is like a house of cards that will fall, break together, fall over. But if this really plays out, then we should enter the so-called heart of a third wave next. Rally, aggressive rally, towards $20 next, yeah. And we'll see if it plays out. On the nano level, the nearest support area is this one because we might test it once more. Not promised. Yeah, I know a lot of people would like to have a deeper pullback for maybe another entry or so. But honestly, it's not needed. In my view, what is possible is this, that from this low in April, we had another 5-wave move up. Small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in white wave 1. Then this is an A wave. We're now forming some kind of a B wave, and then could come down in wave C. Maybe not deep, and then we break out. This is the white count. If we spend a little bit more time in this range here, below the breakout point, basically below $7.25, this white count could play out. As long as we're holding that last low there from the 9th of July, we might, it might break out directly. Then I've labeled this as a diagonal 1-2 AB, but it could also be a 1-2 1-2 setup. Maybe it's even that. To be honest, that fits better the bigger picture, given that the move to the upside is likely a third wave. So this would be like the direct route higher, 1, 2, and then we can sort of go higher more directly. Yeah. But this is now a very small wave degree. Ultimately, this is the support area, Fibonacci support to watch. I really don't want the price to break below $4.38 to keep either the white or orange counts alive. To be honest, orange will be invalidated with a break below 588 or 590. That's last swing low here in July. But orange and white are really just two different variations of the same bullish count. Where it really changes is below $4.38. That's when it starts to shift, and the focus will be on this support area again between $3.10 and $3.89 for a wider wave 2. That would be an alternative. For now, I'm watching the current upside momentum with interest, and the price might break out directly. Next objective for the bulls would be a break above $7.25, and then a break above this swing high there at around $8.90, which is the swing high from December which would then be the next objective. And so far, I think the entire uranium sector remains interesting. Check out the videos on the MCO Global channel. They are definitely still interesting and helpful. That's the update on Uranium Energy. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates on other stocks, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, sometimes updates on the Dow Jones, gold updates, silver updates, check out our stocks membership. You can find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.